All right, we're back. We're doing CAD 62, the intake flange. And this one looks difficult, but it's not really. You just do one of them and then copy it the other few times. And it is going to be standard dimensions. All right, if you look in the book, it's got all the dimensions on the first piece up there, that front piece. So we're going to do that first. We'll go ahead and start our sketch, and we'll just do it on the front. We're going to put that big hole, that 1.5 one, right in the center. Okay. There we go. That's supposed to be a diameter. So there we go. 1.5 diameter. Now we got another circle out here. There we go. And it's going to be a diameter of 0.375. And that's going to be 1.25 over here. So that's what that's going to be. And there's going to be a line here. That's going to be 1.5. All right, now we need to get the height on this, but before we do that, we need to get our base. So our base is going to be this line right here. From the center of the circle to the base, it's going to be 1.5. All right, now all right. And we'll have a circle over here. It's also 0.375. And that's going to be 1.5. And from here to here will be 1. This will be 1. This is 0.5. Get a little radius fillet here. 0.25. And we got a radius 1.25 on this same point. So circle. Pick radius 1.25. And it didn't get radius for me. No big deal. Dimension type, radius. There we go. 1.25. And we got another fillet. And this one's 0.5. Doesn't want to pick that. Here, let's do this. Let's trim this thing out a little bit. There we go. More than one way to skin a cat, right? All right. Now, from bottom line to the center of this is 2.5. Radius on this, and then we have a line. Tangent. Pick line, pick what you want it to be tangent to on both ends. And there we go. Now we can trim that. All right. And we got a 0.5 radius right there. So fillet. See if it'll let me do it. Nope, it wants that trimmed. Okay. Still set to 0.5. We'll get that. All right, that's got that. So there's our first one. All except for this one. So I've got to go. Let's go ahead and put this dimension in here. We'll accept that just to make sure we got that right. Now I'm going to grab the whole thing. Actually, before I do that, let's get this. There we go. Now I'll grab all this. And we're going to be doing some erasing. That's okay. So we can copy that. Base point anywhere, it doesn't matter. And we're just going to come make sure it's vertical. Or, excuse me, not vertical, horizontal. 4.5. Just one. Okay, now. I want to move that whole thing, so I'm going to do that. We'll just trim here. That'll give me a point to trim to, or to move to. Take that out, take that out, take that dot out. There we go. Now, move base point from there, say yes, and then go to there. All right, now it's got that in place. I'm going to say done. Now we'll do that other fillet. Still set to 0.5. And there we go. I can erase this and this. All right. Now I'll just grab these. And that. Copy. Base point. Pick that as my base point. And then one more time. And done. And I'll just do my two fillets. All right. And line it Do that fillet there. And change it to 0.25. And do your fillet here. All right, looks like we got everything in place. One more circle. We need to copy this one over 4 inches. Copy. And then we'll just put our dimension in there. And there we go. All right, so we'll finish that sketch. Hit the home button. Extrude. And just grab it. And the whole extrusion is 0.25. And there's our flange. And okay. Don't forget to do this part. I've been watching people draw and they all are not doing this, so you need to do it. You need to get in the habit. And take flange and then update and that's your mass and so on and so forth. Okay. You can also rename these sketches or extrusions or whatever, okay? Just got properties. Okay, so this would be, okay, flange. Oh, cancel. Okay, can't use it twice. We'll call it flange sketch. So that now you know what sketch that's for. And I'll expand on that in the next one. Okay, but anyway, so there's your part. Okay, we'll go ahead and save that as CAD 62. Yep. And now we got to do our layout. Layout's going to be simple, so we're just going to do one view of it and just give it a note that tells you how thick it is. So save and then new. And once again, you can use either one of these. I always use that. I use the one that I use. You can use the one I use, or you can use the other. It doesn't matter. Let's go with B-size. All right, base. And there we go. And then you just dimension it. So we'll annotate. We'll go ahead and put our as you can see how I'm doing this, just click and just change your tolerance to 3. Alright, so that's got all the circles, right? Okay, so we need to get this one. We'll zoom in a little bit, because you don't want to. Alright, so that's got all of them. And then we'll get this one. All right. So now, do a chain. And there's that. I really try not to cross like that, so let's put that over there, and then we'll do this one. All right, so you see what we're starting to run into? We're starting to run into our text is too big. So let's see if we can go a little bigger with our view here. Edit view. Let's try 3/4. Now, that gives us a little bit more room to play with. Pull that in some, because we want to get this, right? We got one more we need to get in there. All right, so gonna have to go to a bigger sheet. That's not a problem. Just go sheet, edit sheet, and we'll go up one size to C. And we'll do another chain. Here, 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 and here. Continue, bring it up, and done. All right, so there's all of our dimensions. Now, I'm going to reorder some of these. Put that one back down here. Since we've got more room here. Escape on that. There we go. It shouldn't be that difficult, should it? That thing just not want to cooperate, so we'll leave it alone. I'm sure there's somebody else out there that does this more often than I do that can tell you a better way of that, but I haven't met that person yet. All right, so let's get our overall, and that should be it. All right, so now we got to do our notes. We just do text, pick a point. All right, and we'll type this in. Goodness. 25 inches. Tell you what, let's do that even better. Here, I'm going to edit that. There we go. Yep. There we go. And there you go. That's pretty much got it. Now, let's save this, CAD 62. That gives us our number, of course, your name and the dates on there. And that's it for that one. Okay, remember, use a C-size sheet on this one, okay, instead of a B. And we'll send that a little better. There we go. All right, now, save that, file, export, PDF, and of course it'll be CAD 62 PDF. And then we'll turn that in. And I'll see you for CAD 63 next.